Hi everyone. So in today's class I will tell you few things about Google Classroom. So this is a class created for the COM. Okay. So if any student wants to join the class, what he can do is he can log in into Google Classroom using his or her Gmail account. Okay. Then whatever the code they have received. Okay. So this is a 7 uh, alphabet or numeric code. So what they can do is if they go at the right side corner like this, they will see at a plus sign once they log in. Okay, so go here and say join class. Okay, so once they join class, this class code whatever I have shown you there, that code they have to enter and say join. So once they join, they will see like this in their login. Okay, so first, from staff point of view, I will tell you how to give the assignments. So you go to create, say assignment. Okay, so let's say I'm giving uh, this as a assignment 2 on, let's say, additive manufacturing. So here I can ask, give all the instruction and say okay, uh, let's say explain with neat sketch FDM process. Okay, similarly I'm just doing some dummy. So let's say SLA process, all this. Even I can create a file also, or I can even have any image I can add. Okay, so like this I have added all the questions and then I will assign the marks to it. Let's say I have 10 marks for this assignment. Then all students who are there, I am assigning everyone and say due date. So I can decide, let's say tomorrow is the due date. I can give the time as, let's say, morning 11:30 a.m. They need to submit the assignment. So once that is done, okay, I can decide which module assignment is there and then simply say assign. Okay, so now this is assigned to the all the students. Okay, so assignment is live. So I will show you in the students login what he or she can see. Okay, so I'm just created a dummy student. Okay, so I'll just try to log in. So this is the students login. So this is what I have shown you. So join the class here and then whatever the code you have received you can join here. Okay, so this was the com subject. So I can see here this is assigned. Dr. Anish Shetty posted a new assignment number 2 on additive manufacturing. So once he clicks here, he can see all the questions. Okay, now one option is he can write the assignments, okay, and upload. So how to upload? So if you go at the right side corner, you can see add or create. So here I can go and upload any document. So you suppose I am doing any Word documents, I can upload PDF, anything can be uploaded. Okay, if the file is big, you can use Google Drive to upload. Okay, so let's say I've done some PDF. Okay, so let's say I have done, this is my uploads. Okay, so I have uploaded that part. So once you upload this one, it may take few seconds to upload. Okay, so you can say something is PDF got uploaded. So here it's turned in. So that you have to press, otherwise it will not go to your respective professor. So turned in means you have submitted the assignments. Okay, so it will ask you a warning message. So turned in, that's it. Okay, so that means you have submitted this assignment. So like this will come. So once it goes to it is submitted, I will show you what you see in the professor's login. Okay. So once I go in my com class, okay, so I can see if I go to the assignment, okay, so I can see one person has submitted the assignment. So even the time, everything will get recorded. Okay, so when I click on that person, it will take me to next window where I can see his complete assignment here. Okay, so how many documents you upload, all will come. So see, this is the assignment he has submitted. So here I can say, okay, you got 8 something marks I can assign, and even I can put the message, okay, well done, put more efforts, okay, and I say post, and then I say return. Okay, so this is nothing but return this submission. Okay, okay, so now the message will go to the student. Okay, and this whatever the message is a private message, right? Okay, so if you go to the assignment now, you can see here 0 is turned in, so 1 is graded. So if you click here, he already got 8 out of 10. So like this you will get all how many students are there in the class, you can get it. Now let's see what happens in the student login again. So in the students login, so he can see his classwork. Okay, so assignment, whatever he has submitted, see it. If you go here, he can see all the grades, so how much grades he got, everything. See here, 8 out of 10, and even the message, well done, put more efforts. So even he can again reply to this message.